Morning and welcome to my studio. I wanted to get on here real quick and just kind of share something with you guys. I have found a way to remove the number one obstacle that I hear from everybody that I talk to about oil painting and so on. So what's that number one? The number one thing that I always hear is I can't draw a straight line, or I have no artistic ability, blah blah blah. So anyway, not true. If you want to be able to paint, you can. All you have to do is have a good teacher, and I'm going to help you through that. I have an online academy. But if you want to draw, well, I've solved it two ways for you. The first way is I do offer a class for that. There's actually 6 methods to drawing, and I show you each one and break it down so that you can find the one that you want. But in case you really don't want to draw, which, I don't kind of blame you. Drawing is not my favorite part of this entire process. So I actually found a way. And here's the way. One sec. Okay, so I am gearing up to have a tutorial on how to paint this on my paintonthepalette.com and artforpaws.com. You can go artforpaws.com/classes, and it'll lead you to my online paint academy. But I'm gearing up to paint this little guy. So in order to paint this little guy, this one was the first one. This one was the first time that I did it. And that one I kind of spread out over a couple days. And then I did it again because I know you guys actually want to learn how to paint it. So this is my second one. And I can actually tell a difference because they are a little bit different every single time that I paint them. And then the third time that I did it, I painted it in a workshop that I taught in person. So this is the third time. This one I had a lot more fun with, I guess, because I added some purple, which purple isn't in the basic color palette. So I'm going to paint it a 4th time next week when the videographer comes to actually video me painting it. And I decided, I'm kind of tired of drawing this thing over and over, and this is where I'm going to solve your problem of not wanting to draw. This is it. So I am having my sketches printed onto canvas so that you can actually purchase these already pre-drawn. I mean, this one is on the panel. You can also get them in larger sizes. So if you want, this is just an 8x10. So if you want a 16x20 or even larger, you can order those larger and do them to scale to meet your needs, for your decorating needs. So I was just really excited about this because I haven't taken it out of the wrapper yet because this is just phenomenal. I work with a company called Bay Photo out in California, so everything is American made. And they just did a fantastic job. I was so beyond excited to do this and to see this. So this is what I'm going to be painting on when I do my video tutorial next week, and it'll probably be released about a month from now because it takes us a while to kind of do these videos. But yay! So I'm so excited. So if you have any excuses on why you don't want to oil paint, or what kind of challenges you might face with that, talk to me. Put a message in this Facebook post so I can help solve those problems. Because here's the thing, oil painting, it changed my life. And I want to do that for you. So don't let anything hold you back. Tell me what's going on and I can help. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. I'm so excited about this. I'm Stephanie Weaver, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day. Talk to you soon.